Twairire buya mwancho murire bwita sene kendize TV ne chinga kichindengo kwaregania twemanyia mangana magia senchera yobwenge nigo charagire chinsa 10 chabono maroba itarikine yemo mutinyo gatano umwaka bwechirwe 2024 eretariane Dorcas Kemoma nani gotogo chukubwaterana nere Lydia Mose oyugo kumanyia asenchera yimenyerio nere Sara Momanyi okane kingamari yene chibicha agoikira senchera yobwikirano nabogo tubwatia gwetera senchera yemetandao asensemo ya Facebook ogotonyera buna Ndizi TV News Digital ko ikagaria YouTube no terebuna Ndizi TV News naboigo ase website yaito no terebuna www.ndizitv.net. Kwariganirie nditonyala gusanga ase obwamo abonchoreria ase chiro ya mochenwa eywe gotoka asorobebe rwa ewodi yagesima amoneria yerigo mani gobano baganiriwe kobaganirie koroseriwa echiro eywe ase abange babobe murunganiriwe aso okotigara maiga ase ensemeyo ase kem asamagenderero ase batebna nigo echire yo yabeire kegotigara maiga sigeka egetambe ase bono baganirie abara ebe chinseme cyo kwenekenga ngo baikeria bare amagenderero ase echireyo nabayigo kubaganire bayigorerwe echireyo abanyare kogenderera ne byasara byabo
Nito gwatege sunte kanene to gwati no netaya siture to gutwerubokia to gutweruboira na bane to gwate to gosomya bano ngai to kuruchi besa nyamuri gutwagachire echira storabe to kuiga matoni to nene to gere chibes ekore county to gwati besera to someri bana uikatwerigarigere chinse amato iboke mambi to kore keneke tanyore chibese to someri abana
abantu bagotokori egasi ye to gukora iga yechararani ngo bagutira gose bagutira imboka korwasi chiparechi wone mbura kegotwa nabo tokwera na gukikabuza totabwati none shiringi sababu ningi abantu bagutangika goja asingeje chipara chibutogete pi abantu baitoga iga babekeru chiplasta
asikurendwa igicha bugete igimwamete baitu baraye baitu tuhorere chiro elinda asaria abagiya abi productive na asaiga seitomo chenwa na arakine buna chinsemo chindi chiakini baitu gatigare tari getongo pi bakatushiti kumanyanga bon eturanganye tudigukinye county yaitu togende chi county
Tugos kamote nigo yomo bwabarwanireri bekirugo kyo obunyakirugo bwekyama kya UDA ase ebunge ya kitutu chache noto yomanyekaine buna Peter Otaro nigo bono abolirie abarai amo nababwatani bekyame kyo kwenekinga nkobeka abale omolembe chinga kichobo chori ase oboro chori borachi korekana ase kitutu chache note ase bono ababolirie banekinga obotwereru boigo onkwenekiwa bole bochori oboni achiko korekana omotenye ogo cha chitariki emeronge ebere na ibere.
Ncha Samareta no mheshimiwa Otaro Peter kurwe jimbo ya Kitutu Chache North nkoboli kerogo kyobo chairman wa UDA constituency ngima intusi eyabege tu in phase 2 egochikokoru June 22nd naande karotoko ligerele chikure chichakoliru from the other counties. In phase 1 twarorirenga chiakolire with a lot of victory bakolire buya epatinje bangete and chikure chiakolire electronically ase bali batwalire shida nkeke muna Nairobi a tribunal nero eko handle those issues so tutagete ko assure those aspirants bali babwate issues ingama nganabo ngochiale ko shulukero buya because mbaye twetaliki yogo beka manganabo ase eshida yabeire so that eshugulikerwe. So we want to assure all the party members nye chama yani chama tawala na ande nere ready ochora barai kulingana no mulengo lia abananchi bago kwana ase gusi etogochikokora ase face ya kabere and we are ready for that election kyaro ligere liboge tutugalia ali no UDA yakere tuchikura chinyinge karoko ligereria nande nga ali no DM ya betegego akeru muno abantu baralia banchite igora kini kulingana no leadership uongozi yo mujumbe ulio ito Mheshimiwa Japhet Nyakundi abantu bagakira UDA chikura chinyinge tukanyora mujumbe ko Ruororo oyure national treasurer ye party nandi tukanyora MCA ye mukuru Kegogi ward
kunenjera ya moyo kweneke abasaye mbabwate chimbwa chingeya nigo omoteri oyoboigo oromo nyakirogo ase commodity fund Duke mangi boigo echate nigo ara umoroberio ogosemoyega abokorwa basemi gocha ase abasaye omoyego yo kolekana ase university ya Kisii ase abarai na babwatani baikirana ase okorwa basemi gocha ase abasaya bakora ekerasi kumi na kabere imeye county ya Kisii asebono bababolire abasaye kwenekinga nkwerusarania bari kura ase ebikore byobosari naboigo botumeki boebinywegwa amo na mariogo yogotindia.
If you can completely avoid drinking, you will avoid a lot of problems in your life. Kama like you never pick on alcohol, you would have saved half of the problems adults face. As chairman said, zote zinakuwa mtu za pombe. Utachapa bibi because you're drunk. Utakuwa na madeni because of alcohol. Utavutwa kazi because of alcohol. So if you avoid alcohol or drugs, you can save yourself a lot of problems down the line, including health complications and all that. Unfortunately, people still persist in drinking. We always encourage moderation. But moderation is for the few. Most people when they start drinking down the line, stress ya maisha inakuja, unafika kama ni boy, demo anakuacha. As chairman told you, I'm an ambassador of the boy child, and I've seen how men drink or abuse drugs wakati wameachwa. Na kuachwa ni constant your life, by the way. If you are a guy, kuachwa ni constant, utaachwa na utaachana, lakini kuna time moja atakuacha.
Umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto omokonyo yeri gatigashawa egati ya baraibande nigo rituko rya rero bara omoyega bogo chengera rituko rya abakorie emirimo asenze ya Kenya asebono batebramna nigo abakorie emirimo babiri bakora emirimo yayo kwenekinga kugorora bare uchumi enseto ya Kenya ka ukwana chinga kecho nigo boigo Ruto atebamna nigo abakenya bono barachi kwerorera obuya bubwagachi bw'inyumba chamagori ainse ekero omweri obu mwaka oyega oreke asate bamna bono chinga kecho nari chinyombe cho chikendete kwagacho chirachigo chaka kwainanwa goche ase abakenya ase bono abantu bari babeire bagwa kwa n'umuchando obo toigo barachikwenyora ali bagari tangani ase okwenyora chinyomba echo ase boigo atananige serikali era chikwenekinga nkobasirere abantu abo babeire bagwa kwa n'umuchando bw'imbura enyinge anene ase omochi o Nairobi na boigo asichinsemo ime yense ya Kenya.
Kwa hivyo nataka niwaulize wafanyikazi wote sisi wa Kenya tujue ya kwamba nchi hii haiwezi kujengwa kimiujiza, haiwezi kujengwa na watu wengine. Wenye kujenga Kenya ni sisi, nguvu yetu, akili tulio nayo, mipango tulio nayo na pesa zetu. Na hiyo pesa inatoka kwa ushuru. Kuitwa Zakayo si jambo. Bora tulipe ushuru, Zakayo ni jina, hakuna problem. Tunaweza kusonga mbele. Bora tujenge Kenya hii, watu wapate manyumba, tuwe na affordable, tuwe na universal health coverage, watoto vijana wetu wapate ajira. Zakayo ni jina, tuendelee mbele. No problem. Kwa sababu tutakuwa tunajidanganya na tumejidanganya muda mrefu ya kwamba nchi inaweza kujengwa na madeni kutoka nchi zingine. It is not possible. And I have to be brutally honest to my fellow citizens. We must face up to the reality. We must build our country with our energy, with our knowledge, with our talent, with our effort, with our plan, and with our taxes. That's how we are going to build this country. Kwa hivyo nawauliza viongozi wote wenzangu, najua haikuwa imepangwa ya kwamba tutaangalia vile wama tuwe na mpango ya kuongeza minimum wage.
Kagukwana boigo chinga kyaringa somo yego yo okorekana asegeti kya urupa kimeyomo cho Nairobi Ruto ni go boigo aboriri abakenya babe abatwerero ase gose babeke bakonye bigokora ase emeremo yabo asekeri ni ntweka abakenya turanyare kwagacha uchumi yeito asenseito ya Kenya asebona ateba tibaba abangora goseti babwa aso wakana ebango.
Na kabla ya mwisho wa mwaka huu, before the end of this year, kabla ya mwisho wa mwaka huu, mutaziona zile nyumba nilianzisha mwaka uliopita, kwa sababu nyingi zimeanza kuwa tayari. If seeing is believing, you will begin to see, so that you can believe that we are serious on the housing plan. Our intention is at least in the next 5 years, we must create 1 million new home owners in Kenya, people who have a place to call home that we have facilitated. Apart from creating jobs, we create decent livelihoods for our people. I want to tell the people of Nairobi, jana tulikubaliana kwenye baraza la mawaziri na tulisema wale wote ambao wanaishi katika riparian reserve tutawasaidia waondoke, kwa sababu hatutaki Mkenya apoteze maisha yake kwa mafuriko. Wale wanaishi katika vitongoji zile zingine karibu na riparian reserve, tumekubaliana tutatumia hazina yetu ya housing kuwasaidia kujenga social housing, ili hata na wao waishi mahali penye kuna heshima, mahali kuna maji, mahali kuna proper housing. Na tumesema wale wanaishi in our slum dwellings, they will be our first priority on matters social housing.
Tugutigara sensemo yeri tukoria rero ria Labor Day ni gomuri kyo munene bwe kyombe kya abakori emeremo kya Kotu Francis Atwoli nigo akeire ekoko obwaga chibwe chinyumba bwa chamagori ainse imeyenso yeto ya Kenya asa terumna nigo chirachigokonya abakenya abange chinga kichubo igo aringe ase omoyega oyo kolekana siritukoria rero imeyomo cho Nairobi Atwoli nigo boigo atebamna nigo Kenya abange bakobwa wakana ebango asekeri arwa ogose arumo gwikano wobwaga chibo cyumba cyamagorense asichinse asate babunani go chinse cyo cyegenderere cyoka kinyene.
Framework of making sure that as we start registration, everything is in order and everything is going on as planned. But we will support you in this area. Some of us, we are your eye there. As I'm telling you, it has capable members of the board that I've never seen in another board. People who are concerned, Your Excellency, to support you. Only little bit extend your hand in support of what they are trying to come up with. On the issue of housing, you remember you did lectures about this when last year during Labor Day, and you convinced us as workers that we must support you. And when I asked your ministry, which is in charge, whether workers will have an opportunity to be on that board, and after consultation with their office, they are allowed us, as per the current act, to appoint one of us on that particular board. The purpose is we as workers will support it financially. But the eye on that board also, when there will be allotment, because we have some shop stewards and workers who have even nowhere to sleep, they will have an opportunity to be housed in this new venture that you have started. And it is not only in Africa. Algeria, they did it. Egypt, they did it. And so many other African countries, they did it. And as I've said, the only problem with our country, Your Excellency, is that we were not used to paying taxes. And when you said everybody should pay tax, it became as an alien issue in this country. Because a normal Kenyan would like to eat without working, would like to make money without earning. And this is where the problem is.
Chinga kichuboigo tuori niga boriria abakenya koira serikali ngora asekeri atebirana niga serikali egendrete kubika emirobiro yokoenekinga ingoikiraniere amaganio aria y'abakenya ase aboigo abo asaba serikali ko enyongesa ya emeshara ase abakori emirimo benseto ya Kenya.
I want to end there, Your Excellency. I don't want to tire you. But the last area I want to ask you, because I said I will recognize all good things you have done for workers of this country. And you will continue doing these things. And next year we will be with you. And other years to come. And we will give you support as a pressure group. And when we are called to kiitwa tutaitika sisi. Research yetu inatuambia, Your Excellency. But I don't know what is in your pocket. Kama unaweza kunja macho, because Jacqueline said, oh, general wage increase, that is employer now. It's not anchored on any law. We must have wages council, sit and discuss and see how this general wage works. Let me remind my sister here, my twin sister. In 1972, when our economy was not performing, we were doing badly. Then the late president, the founding father of this nation, Mr. Jomo Kenyatta, announced general wage increase at that time of 15%. You can imagine, to everybody. And he also asked employers to increase their workforce by 10% in order to alleviate or to reduce unemployment in our country. Which law was it anchored to? Anything that comes from the mouth of the president, let me tell you, people, anything that the president akikusalamia jambo, that is law. That is law. Usifikirie utaenda kutafuta law ingine pale ingine. So wacha tupeleke president pole pole na tumwangalie tumchunge na yeye atatuchunga. Na tunaomba yeye
Togotigana nayo omwanchumurigana usikamoto goika ase engana yo mwichano nigo abantu bari basiririe amagimabo goitera omubasokana obwembura enyinge asensemo ya mahimayo nigo goikira bonega oikire abantu emerongo 5 no yomo ase obunyabi bogendrete ase mebere y'abantu bande abo bakageire koba bari ase ensemeyo ayamaiga yoroche kubagora nako kubagora chimbe Bechaya na kumenya machaya goche ase kinyoro kya mushiria ekigotoka ase ebunge ya Naivasha imeye county ya Nakuru ase bono abantu abange babete bagosiria enibo yabo naboigo abande gosiria amagimabo nabande gotigerwa chingoma chimbe abande gotigerwa batarinonya nase obomenyani go moraibwense Dr. William Ruto litukore igoro abete kagotara ase ensemeyo naboigo korwa gochika bunanigo abantu abo barachi konyora obokonye korwa ase serikali ase boigo arweto gochika korwa ase gochia ase ekyombe osekya abanyanyimbo amachoni naboigo NYS koenda gwika ase nsemeria eriko korwa obokonye obobono borachi gose barachi gokonya abantu abo babeire bagwakwa n'umuchando yo bwemura naboigo abande gokonya ase okorigia emebere y'abantu bande abo bakageire gosiria amagimabo ase amacha ayo abo bataratoka goika bonaiga. Mwanchumuriri oroboturu igoro y'abantu emerongo 5 no yomo na bakure ase amacha sensemeri ya mahima yugo ikabonega na rugo twekeri omwaerio bwa mangana magia senchera yobwenge genda kurigirigeta sene Kyandizi TV erio bweseme bwe manyena boigo obwego ke eretariane Dorcas ke momana ni goto bwadrana nere Lydia Mose oyori gukumanya wetera asenchera yemanyerio nere Sara momanya ane kingamalio gene chibicha wekere asenchera ayobwekenu twara oborigerere obuya Kyandizi TV nabo bwansu bomugusi.